Well, spring seems to be a very long way off at the moment, but by the middle of the week you may well think spring has sprung, and that's because the winds are going to be changing direction, changing from a southwesterly to more of a southerly wind. And you can see by the colours there, the orange and the yellows, that very mild air is going to push right the way up across the whole of the United Kingdom. Now by night it means it will get less frosty, quite significantly so by the time we get through to Tuesday night and Wednesday night. Now that is going to cause problems though, because as we see the arrival of some heavy rain Tuesday night onwards, with snow melt across the northern half of the United Kingdom, we could see a risk of flooding. Now at the moment we've still got some wintry weather in the southeast. In fact, this line is pretty persistent and I think it'll stay there this afternoon. So if you are driving through that, you could see a couple of centimetres of snow or so do take care. But by far and large it is a dry and a sunny day with just some snow showers in the far northwest. Now it is quite a chilly day, 3 to 5 degrees, particularly so in the northwest where we've got those gale force winds. Overnight tonight, those gale force winds will continue to bring some sleet and snow into the northwest, but elsewhere it will be another chilly night, a cold, icy one, particularly in the south, -4 to -7 degrees, but quite a significant change in Scotland, far milder than it's been of late, temps around +1 to +4 across many northern and western areas. Now into Monday we may continue to see the cloudier skies in the north with the gale force winds, but elsewhere dry and sunny, perhaps some freezing fog patches to start the day down in the south, but they should disappear quite quickly. As we head into Tuesday, we find the weather fronts beginning to come into the southwest. They will take a time, so for much of the day it will be dry and sunny once more. Those temperatures a little bit higher, around 6 to 7, but the cloud will increase from the southwest during the afternoon. Into Wednesday, the weather front is across Scotland, and that's where we're going to see the wettest weather. Some heavy bursts of rain there, I think, whereas further south, a fairly cloudy day with perhaps just 1 or 2 showers. But take a look at these temperatures, 12 to 14 degrees. That really is very mild compared to what we're seeing just at the moment. Into Thursday, the weather front is out to the southwest again, so that's where we could see some showery rain beginning to work its way from west to east, but for many another dry day. And then into Friday, a cloudy day with outbreaks of rain or showers, temperatures back down to around 9 to 10. So for this coming week, it will be turning much milder midweek. It will become less frosty, become more unsettled though, and from Tuesday night onwards, there will be the increased risk of some flooding as it turns mild and wet. That's all from me.